Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver currently trading around $32, a little higher than that, and the local uptrend that started in December is still intact, but I think we could come close to completing it. If you watched yesterday's gold video, then you know that also on the gold chart we're now very overstretched to the upside, which is okay. Gold is, I think, moving in a internal fifth wave. These tend to extend in the gold market. On the silver chart, we are pretty much completing here a corrective rally from the December low. I'm going to take a look at the micro count in a minute. But overall, the idea is that a pullback is due. That could be either wave B, which is should form a higher low above the December low, or if a lower low below the December low forms, then the Fibonacci support area will likely be tested at 25.29 to 28.56. Wouldn't be a problem. Either way, both counts are bullish, and I remain bullish as long as the market holds above $25.29. So it's either an ABC structure down in wave 4 and we then rally in wave 5, or this wave 4 already bottomed in December, which I'm challenging that thesis. It's not preferred at this stage, but I let the market tell me what is playing out. We will have to see the structure of the next pullback. But this wave 4, if this was already the wave 4 in December, it's a bit weak. And it's also, time-wise, very short compared to the wave 2 that played out between April 23 and October 23. Yeah. So wave 4, I think, only it's like half of the duration or something, but that would be okay. I mean, it's not invalid, otherwise I wouldn't show it. So these are the two pathways I see. Let's take a look at the microstructure here on the 1 hour chart. By the way, if you're wondering how all of this could be integrated in the bigger picture, what is the long-term view for silver? Yesterday I published my long-term monthly chart on YouTube, on our new channel, on our main channel, MCO Global. You might not know this channel yet, but it's the channel that we've launched like last week to bring all of our international communities together and sector-wide communities. We also have a crypto community. And I made a video yesterday about silver, the long-term chart, why is it falling behind gold, and could it make a comeback, and what's actually the long-term view. So you find that on this channel, but in case you missed it, I also made a gold long-term video talking about some fundamental aspects as well. So this is the idea of this channel, to give you deeper insights, videos that last longer, but also, like, let's say they are relevant longer, whereas here on More Trading Online, it's all about those quick and rapid market updates that many of you appreciate. But if you're also interested in the long-term view, check out this channel, MCO Global. I'll link it in the description. So what we're dealing with here since this December low, in my view, is an ABC structure to the upside. I think we have an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave could have topped, but I need minimally a break below the last swing low here that formed around 31.20 to indicate a top has formed. Yeah. So what we can do, we can say A wave, B wave, C wave. And whether this is an ABC structure in the orange A wave, which should then lead to a corrective pullback, or whether it's the yellow B wave, we will not find out until, because the micro count is the same. Yeah, we will not find out until we actually see more structure of the decline. For now, Fibonacci support is between 29, that's micro support, really just here on the micro level, is between $29.52 and $31. But 31 is probably going to be quite weak for this upcoming pullback, which in the orange count would be a B wave, so probably rather the lower half could be relevant, between $30 and $29 roughly. Overall, I have no strong evidence that a pullback has started, but I'm watching for it. Might very well be that we get one more final push to round about here 33.50, which is resistance. But the risk is now high because this rally has now taken some time. It's already started in December, and because silver and gold are correlating, the gold chart is very overstretched. Yeah, And I know silver's rally has been disappointing, but we can explain that because this is seen as a corrective rally. So gold's chart, which is much more let's say more impulsive, even though only there we are looking for a diagonal. But the difference is on the gold chart, it's a diagonal structure. Here, it's a corrective rally. So there's a difference. And yeah, you could say that the $29.50 level, that 78.6 retracement down there, is going to be the pivot between the orange count, which is more bullish, more directly bullish, and the yellow count, which is also bullish, but allows for a deeper pullback. So what I'm watching for next is how the price reacts now. Well, first of all, is this level going to be tested at around $31.30, $31.20? Any break below it, will indicate that a local top has formed. For now, we're just waiting to see if the market forms another high, but that doesn't make it a good long trade setup, in my opinion, from an Elliott wave point of view. For now, because the minimum requirements are fulfilled for this corrective rally, right? So it's rather that the risk is high that we start a pullback from here. And I can tell you that the last bounce here also looks like a three-wave move up. So it's possible the overall correction already started as an A, B, C structure, but we need further evidence for that. At the moment, I think the $29.50 level is the most important level because it helps us distinguish between the orange count, which you could say is leading above that level, and yellow, which will take the lead below that level. But for now, very much on high alert that a pullback could start from the current price region. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.